Hello children, welcome back to our channel. Let us learn about associative property of rational numbers. For all a, b, c belongs to Q, a plus b plus c is equals to a plus of b plus c. This is called associative property under addition. Let us verify using rational numbers. Example 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. Let us add the rational numbers which are there in the bracket first. So 1 plus 2, 3 by 3 plus 5 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 plus 5 plus 2, 7 by 3. Now 5 plus 3, 8 by 3 is equals to 7 plus 1, 8 by 3. Therefore, rational numbers are associative under addition. Now multiplication. For all a, b, c belongs to Q, a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. Example 1 by 5 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 is equals to 1 by 5 into 2 by 3 into 3 by 4. Simplify the one which is there in the bracket first. So, when we multiply two fraction, numerator is multiplied with numerator, denominator with denominator. So, 1 2s are 2, 5 3s are 15 into 3 by 4. 1 by 5 into 2 3s are 6, 3 4s are 12. Now 2 3s are 6 by 15 4s are 60. 1 6 are 6 by 12 5s are 60. 6 1s are 10s are. 1s are 10s are. 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by 10. Therefore, rational numbers are associative under multiplication. Let us verify for subtraction and division. Under subtraction, for all a, b, c belongs to Q, a minus b minus c is not equals to a minus of b minus c. Under division, for all a, b, c belongs to Q, a divided by b divided by c is not equals to a divided by b divided by c. So from above, we can say that rational numbers are associative under addition and multiplication, but not under subtraction and division. Our next property is distributive property. In distributive property, we have two properties: distributive property of multiplication over addition and distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. That is, for all a, b, c belongs to Q, A into B plus C is equals to A into B plus A into C. Let us take an example. 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 5 by 3 is equals to 1 by 3 into 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 into 5 by 3. Now 1 by 3 into LCM 6, 3 ones are 3, 5 twos are 10. Here 1 ones are 1, 3 twos are 6 plus 1 fives are 5, 3 threes are 9. 1 by 3 into 13 by 6 is equals to LCM 18 into 3. 6 threes are 18, so into 3. 9 twos are 18, so into 2. 1 threes are 3. 5 twos are 10. 13 by 18 is equals to 13 by 18. This is called distributive property of multiplication over addition. Similarly, for all A, B, C belongs to Q, A into B minus C is equals to A into B minus A into C is called distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Our next property is identity properties. In identity property, we have two properties. They are additive identity property and multiplicative identity property. Let us start with additive identity property. Additive identity property. For all A, 0 belongs to Q, A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A is equals to A. It means when you add any rational number to 0 or 0 to any rational number, result is the same number, where 0 is called additive identity element. Let us check with an example. 2 by 3 plus 0. 0 plus 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. Minus 6 by 7 plus 0. 0 plus minus 6 by 7 is equals to minus 6 by 7. Multiplicative identity property. For all A, 1 belongs to Q, A into 1 is equals to 1 into A is equals to A, where 1 is called multiplicative identity element. Let us check with an example. 2 by 3 into 1 is equals to 1 into 2 by 3 is equals to 2 by 3. Minus 5 by 6 into 1 is equals to 1 into minus 5 by 6 is equals to minus 5 by 6. Therefore, rational numbers satisfy identity properties. Now let us go with inverse properties. In inverse properties, like identity properties, we have two types. Additive inverse property and multiplicative inverse property. Let us start with additive inverse property. For all A belongs to Q, there exists minus A belongs to Q such that A plus of minus A is equals to minus A plus A is equals to 0. It means when you add any rational number with its additive inverse or additive inverse with any rational number, the resultant is 0, where minus A is called additive inverse of A and A is called additive inverse of minus A. Let us take an example. 2 by 5 plus minus 2 by 5 is equals to minus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is equals to 0. Rational numbers satisfy additive inverse property. Then multiplicative inverse property. For all A belongs to Q, there exists 1 by A belongs to Q such that A into 1 by A is equals to 1 by A into A is equals to 1, where 1 by A is multiplicative inverse of A and A is multiplicative inverse of 1 by A. Example, 5 into 1 by 5 is equals to 1 by 5 into 5 is equals to 1. 2 by 5 into 5 by 2 is equals to 5 by 2 into 2 by 5 is equals to 1. Therefore, rational numbers satisfy multiplicative inverse property.